What up, YouTube? It's your boy HEMI Meech, and I'm back again with another video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. For all my new subscribers, this is my 2013 Chrysler 300C, the all-wheel drive HEMI. And yeah, and if y'all new to the channel, as you can see, we are in the rebuilding stage of the Chrysler. Right now, as y'all can see, we found, ooh, that motherfucker foggy. That's another thing we got to change out. We got to get a new lens. I was going to get a whole new light, but I seen some lenses you can actually get. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing anyway. So that worked out. But as y'all can see from my last video, we do have a grill now. And it actually looked pretty nice. I fuck with it. That chrome around it, got to go. But I like the big face grill, not going to cap. I know it's not the S appearance package. But, you know, me, honestly, it still look pretty aggressive though. I got a couple more goodies coming in Friday. Got a couple more coming in Monday for the car. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, man. Basically on today's video, it's gonna be a POV of me cutting up in this motherfucker. Finally, daytime POV cutting up. I gotta be kind of cool because somebody shit screaming. Oh, that's that J. Oh, anyway, I got off track. Gonna be a POV, me cutting up daytime. I usually do them at night, but today we're gonna do this daytime one. Yeah, man, we're gonna get right into the comment. We're gonna get right into the video, but let me go ahead and get y'all a start up. As y'all know how we always do with the startups. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Yeah. Hold on, my check engine light on, so you know it's gonna cut off. So let me just hop in. Let me hop in real quick. Oh, y'all see them. Definitely got them, and they are active. Yes, they do work. Fully functional. Let me turn that off. Pop that sport. We're gonna go traction off, because like I said, we cutting up today. So I'm gonna go traction off for y'all, man. Also, I just got done slightly wiping it off. Like I say, it's not to my liking, but hey, it's clean enough. So we're gonna get right into the video, man. Just throw that back there. Also, y'all want some 3.5 boiler tips? Let me know, man. For the low. Don't need them no more. As y'all know, we running 5-inch tips. Straight pipe, no cats. I get a lot of comments asking me what's my exhaust setup, my wheel setup. For my old wheel setup, when I had the Hellcat reps, 275, 40, 20, all around. The wheel was 20 by 9.5. Of course, it's gonna sit like that because of the simple fact of it's an all-wheel drive, so it don't sit like a rear-wheel drive. But right now, this is the setup for all you all-wheel drive people. This is the setup. This is 255, 40, 20. I don't like these tires. I don't like the front tires. Back tires pretty cool. Back tires are 285. You hear me? 285, 40, 20. You feel me? So, oh, that's a GT Charger. That motherfucker's still clean, though. We're going to go ahead and get right into it, man. Let me go ahead and get the little thumbnail for y'all real quick. That shit look clean. Red key, black key, Chrysler. You feel me? We're going to go ahead and get right into it, man. Cutting up. Ugh. Cutting up for y'all, man. Ugh. As y'all can see, we do got a couple lights on the dash, so don't mind that. It'll be all right, don't mind that. Couple lights on the dash, ain't never hurt nobody. All right, y'all. We finna head out. We finna cut up. Oh, I should have went the other way. My bad, y'all. Y'all ain't needed to hear that. We gonna go the other way. We gonna go around, because you can't go out that way. And I'm not going that way, so. Oh, shit. Y'all know what time it is, man. And yes, I am in rear-wheel drive. I'm not in all-wheel drive right now. Thank you. Shout out to the Z Automotive Taser. We are in rear-wheel drive, as y'all can, hold on, don't worry about that. That's the tire pressure. I forgot to get them. Hey, when I went to go get my wheels balanced, I forgot to take the tire pressure sensors, and I just been busy, so I ain't had time to, you know. But as y'all can see, we are in rear-wheel drive. So let me turn this off because it actually, man, shut up. Shut up. Yeah. And I ain't gonna lie, I missed this car, bro. Okay, I really did. Oh, I was finna go for it, but I ain't even look right. I always look left, right, left. You feel me? Left, right, left. Remember that. Smith system. Yeah, that is. All right, so we gonna cut up in this motherfucker. Whew. Y'all, it's a beautiful ass Saturday. See, this shit crazy. I mean, my dumb ass says Saturday. Thanksgiving Wednesday. Hey y'all, let me know if y'all want a video of me scaring my mom, G. I'm definitely thinking about scaring her ass. No lie, I might scare her ass. For real. That should be funny as hell. She ain't gonna see it coming. Actually, let's go to lunch or something and try this motherfucker like I stole it. For real. You feel me? I might. Boy, I can smell all that rubber. I can smell all that little rubber. Damn, I did not do a good job on that window, bro. That's because I was rushing. I ain't do a good job on none of my windows. Probably except this one. Probably except this one. Big panel. Big panel. Big panel. Come on, G. They're light. I hope I, let me roll that window down. I hope I, run into somebody I can cut up with. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble today. Shit. Hey, even though I got 285, this bitch still not catching traction, bro. Oh, that going straight. Ooh! I love that body style, bro. I miss my RT. If I had a straight in that body style, the 11 through 14 body style of straight, nigga. I'll be scared to push this bitch. I ain't gonna cap to ya. 12 be out lurking. They be out lurking. Hey, these iPhone cameras good as hell. If you want to start YouTube, let me roll this window back up. That's the one thing I hate about rolling my window down, bro. And my phone, when you just get a car wash, that should be wet as hell right there. That should be kind of blowing me. But what I about to say, cameras be good as hell, bro. They pick up a lot of shit. I'm sad I can't use my 0.5 lens because that motherfucker cracked, and then it actually ended up scratching. It and fucking up my 0.5, so I can't get y'all the 0.5 content. But I mean, it's still clean, so it's still clean. Yes, I am recording today. Still clean. I'm finna go on here and make that move real quick. Yeah. I seen a Hellcat earlier. That motherfucker got like a purple tone on it out there, cause that motherfucker was crackling and popping, bro. That shit was crazy. Watch out, let me get in there. Watch out, let me get in there. Hey, my pedal shifters do work. Don't get it twisted, bro. This motherfucker's active. Oh shit. Oh, little bitch nasty. Alright, so I'm finna put y'all niggas on the highway. And we finna get active. Nah, I ain't gonna get on the highway. I'm gonna keep streets. And now, and this shit, boy. Hell nah. Oh, you definitely gotta be smooth though. 12 definitely be lurking in this bitch. For real, for real. Hey, I'm amazed with how much progress this car is making. Like I say, let me know if y'all want a story time on what took place, G. Damn. Relax, bro. Oh, super. Y'all think we... Hey, I know Shorty gonna get down on my ass, but should we test that water? Should we test it? Should we test this nigga? Should we get him going? Y'all think he'll cut up with me? Damn, I take some good ass rolling shots. Hey, I take some good ass rolling shots, dude. Y'all can't tell me that rolling shot ain't this. That ain't A1. Hey, the fuck is you doing, nigga? Keep that Cadillac. The fuck, nigga? Cool ass nigga. I take some good ass rolling shots, bro. That rolling shot was clean as hell. Motherfucker tell me shit. I know that rolling shot was clean. Fuck it, I'm finna start using my pedal shifters. My damn self. Now it's like, I don't like using the pedal shifters. I mean, they cool. It make the car a lot more fun to drive. But it's only a 5-speed, so it ain't like you, I mean, it ain't like you really, you know. Now them 8-speed motherfuckers, pedal shifters on them 8s. Boy, them motherfuckers is crazy. You can't imagine, like, they go 12 sitting up over the 2. Then imagine, like, fucking, what I was about to say. Imagine, like, I don't even know what I was about to say. Oh, yeah, how the Mustangs got the 10. Wait, the Mustangs got the 10 through the Camaros, and the Mustang got the 10 speeds? I don't know. I don't know much about them motherfuckers, but all in all, them motherfuckers is crazy. Insane, man. And for all the people who keep asking about my exhaust setup, yeah, I don't have any cats. As you can clearly see, you can still hear me perfectly. I don't have any cats. I'm fully straight pipe, no mid, no rear, no cats, no restriction. Sitting with some 5-inch tips, 2.5 pipes all the way through the back. This is the stock. This is basically the stock exhaust. Niggery, you feel me? Type shit. So, y'all want me to get off the line? I'm finna smoke some tires, boy. I can't because I ain't in front of these niggas, but yeah, fully straight pipe, bro. Fully straight pipe. No cats, 5-inch tips, not. And I love the way it sounds. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna cap, man. Let me know in the comments, you know, on what kind of videos y'all want to see. I'm gonna keep dropping content of the progress of the car, because already it's like with the few miles that I have now, shit crazy. I'm also thinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out because my phone camera is twiggy, and that's why I need to get a camera. But as y'all can see, this motherfucker starting to look like something again. Yeah, hell yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Smash the like button. You feel me? Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, bro. Let's get it, man. Also, watch them ads. Watch them ads. I'm trying to get this motherfucker together, but I'm using my money. So y'all gotta make sure y'all, you know, get in tune with them ads, man. That's all I ask. So we can get this motherfucker right. That way I can get y'all content. I can do stuff so y'all won't have to do it. You feel me? If it's already done, come to me. You'll already know how to do it. And I'm gonna walk y'all through the steps. You know what I love? The simple fact of like how many DMs I get, the progress of people cars. They just like DM me on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too as well. I'm gonna go ahead, walk up on the cop, boom. That is my Instagram, Meet You the Great. Y'all got this far in the video. Make sure y'all follow me on the gram too. I have a lot of DMs, or I got like, you know, I get a lot of DMs just about car stuff in general. People who I haven't talked to in a while, they showing me the update progress on their car. You know, they just pop into my DMs. They be like, hey, this is where I'm at with it. Or they just come to me, ask me questions. To the best of my knowledge, I answer that shit, you feel me? So, all right, man, it's your boy HEMI Meets, man. I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.